Adventures! Today I'm in Pandora. It is so awesome. We are going to do Flight Passage, we're gonna get breakfast, and we're gonna do all sorts of stuff. My favorite part about Pandora is probably the rides. The rides are so cool, so amazing, so fun. And yeah, let's go. I wonder if they're trained to say or learn how to speak Na'vi language.
I think they do learn the Na'vi language. That's kind of a shit test. We've never gone upstairs before. Yeah. This is cool. This is sweet.
Being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals.
Hunter, I gotta ask, how come I saw you put your hands up on Flight of Passage? Why did you do that?
It feels so freeing and free! And you feel the wind in your hair, and it's so nice, and it feels nice, and it's cool, and you feel like you're actually flying on a banshee.
It does, doesn't it? It really makes you feel like you are on that banshee. Just once you get up the confidence, you kind of lift your hands up, and it's a whole new feeling to that ride. It's just a different element. I don't even know how to explain it, but when you ride Flight of Passage, you need to try raising your hands up, because it'll give you a whole different experience, like you really are on that animal. It'll even kind of change your focus, because instead of being so focused on hanging on, you feel your knees hanging on, and you'll feel the animal breathing and just...
And like its wings flapping as well.
Oh yeah, you can feel the wings flapping. It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look how pretty it is with the sun today. Sunrise over Pandora.
I can barely
Can you barely see? Is that why you're hanging on to me?
Yeah.
On the Na'vi River journey. So let me say, that's one of my favorite rides, because it's nice and slow, and it's pretty, and it's air conditioning. But we're gonna go ride that one after having our breakfast. Nice way to kind of settle the yummy breakfast this morning. ride. All right, now that you guys have experienced it, leave a comment. What do you think? Do you like it as well? It's just such a sweet ride. It's beautiful, it's calming. It's a great ride here at Pandora. Show family bands.
You have to like put oil on it.
That was not working at all.
No, that was working.
Go guys, go! Nicely done, dude.
Totally not me.
Sounded like it though.
I know it did, didn't it? No, look at them. There. Another one there. There's no question those are hidden Mickeys. More on this side. You guys, leave a comment below. Let us know. Do you think those are hidden Mickeys? I'm pretty sure they are, but I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Doesn't matter how many times we come to Pandora, it's always amazing. You know, they have the rides, you know, they have the great food, but you know what? My favorite thing to do is to just sit and look around. And we have like the best little cubby hole, which is right by the drums. So it's just this little tucked away area by the drums, and look at this view. We're gonna close out the video with this view. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys tomorrow. Keep on dreaming. Love you all.